Hi there, it is Dr. Tracy Shroyer, and I am coming to you right in the middle of your screen here. I thought it would be extra special to give a sneak peek into the AI powered edition of Rock Your Resume, my course that has launched and it's currently in beta through August 1st. I have 8 more spots in the beta for $97 before that price doubles, and I wanted to share with you today what that looks like. So join me. All right. So we are in Upskill University, which is the platform that houses the Rock Your Resume course. So I'm going to click here for access into the course, and you'll see this initial screen. You have 27 lessons, and there's 5 modules. So you have different videos, different information for each of these modules and these lessons. So when you click into it, you'll see information at the top. It gives you your breadcrumb path, has a video for you to watch, information. You can mark it complete as you go through. And then you also have, in some instances, files. So you can click here to open your workbook and download that. So the first module is really welcome in getting started. You can download your workbook, your templates, a lot of information in there for you. And then you get started. First, why you need a clear and organized resume, talking about sections of a resume and the different formats that are available, which you have multiple different formats available in your templates in Module 1. So this helps you identify which template to use, what your resume does and does not do, formatting tips, and then we really get into the depth of building your resume. So we go section by section with tutorials. And the nice thing is, as you can see with these, they are with AI support, many of them. So you click into here, you have your video, and I am actually walking you through prompts you can use and information you can pull up in ChatGPT to help you. And you can leverage your workbook and information in that workbook, as well as information I share on the screen to work on your own resume. So that is the bulk of this. Module 3 is walking through each of those different sections, giving you support in there, following along in your workbook with that. Module 4 talks about using AI, and if you're scared to use AI, this is a place where you may want to start and learn a little bit more about the use of AI and writing your resume, and how to make sure you align your resume with a job posting. These are some extra informational pieces that are going to be really helpful for you, making sure that you're using keywords and optimizing that in your resume with the use of AI, tailoring and customizing your resume, checking your tone, any red flags, also doing a percent match check to really figure out, are there things you need to tweak or change that are missing, and how likely are you to possibly get an interview for that role. There's a lot of other variables that come into play, but that gives you a good idea if your resume is compatible for the role and the skills that you have. And then final polish and next steps are just really checklists. What do you need to make sure that you have done throughout the course? Saving it and formatting it, especially for those applicant tracking systems. Using AI for things like LinkedIn, your elevator pitch, and networking messages. That's a nice little bonus in there. And then I just invite you from there to what could be next for you. So I wanted to share that with you. Join us in the beta. We have 8 spots left and through August 1st, and then the price doubles. So if you're interested, please go ahead and click that link, make that purchase, and you'll get automatic access to not only Upskill University and all it has to offer, but also the course itself. And the last thing that I would say is, if you maybe aren't person for this course at this time in your life, but you do know some people that may be, I absolutely encourage you, if you want to share this video or you want to share the link and let them take a look at it, please do so. Excited to have been able to offer you this peek into what the resume course looks like. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for listening.